Morning everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader here for Mr. Topstep with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so with respect to the mini, the bulls have really been able to come back and take control here. They were able to close after a very strong day yesterday. Yesterday was a very powerful move off of lows yesterday to close above the 200-day exponential moving average. We closed at 1316. And what we've seen in the overnight session is some continued follow-through. We've traded up in the 1323, almost 1324 area. The current trade, as I'm taping this at 8:05 Eastern Time, is 1318.25. So for the bulls need to stay above the 200-day exponential moving average. They need to move back towards 1326, which were the week highs from Tuesday. This week's high is up at 1326. They need to move over 1326 and kind of start to build on things, because if they can do that, then you start to look at areas like 1334 or 1338 as areas where this bounce could keep moving. The bears are really running out of time if they want to turn this bounce around before we reach those higher levels. They've got to push below 1312, below 1306, and keep it down there. They've been able to push it down, but we really had a two-sided trading type market, and we've gotten decent dips and decent rips to trade off of each day. So it's not the worst market in the world, but it's definitely advantage goes to the bulls right now. So I'm watching the 9-day pivot today, which is up at 1322. On a pullback, you've got a daily and 3-day pivot zone down in the 1309 area, 1309.5 to 1310. You've got a double pivot area, and on a big pullback, that would be a nice place to come in and take a long on a dip. So let's do support resistance. Current trade 1318.75. On the upside, 9-day pivot 1322.17, then 1328, 1334. 1336.75, 20-day pivot 1338.33, and the 45-day pivot 1341. On the downside, 1311.93 is your 200-day exponential. Below that, you've got the double pivot zone, daily and 3-day, 1309.92 to 1309.66. Below that, I've got 1307.5 to 1306.5. There's some fib levels in there, and then 1302. So everybody have a great day. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader for Mr. Topstep. Trade them well, and I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast.